Hey guys, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and I'm whispering again. Funny because last year I did the same thing. I was not able to sleep last night, so I have been up since about 3 o'clock this morning, and so it is a little dark, but I have been relaxing with the tree on. I love it. And then there's some bins right there that I need to take out of my living room that are for decoration for other rooms, but I can't do that while everyone is sleeping. And then over here, I did some decor. When the lights are on, you'll be able to see more. And over there is a little gnome tree with some candles. Yep. So we are gonna start off this vlogmas. I was like, oh, maybe I'll just do one at 3 o'clock in the morning. But at least now, if I wake my family up, it's not as bad because it's like 6:30. But if I wake them up at 3 a.m., we're gonna have a lot of not happy campers. So let's see what we're gonna get into today. Whew. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and if you saw my intro, I think it's 8 o'clock right now, and I'm ready to go to bed. And honestly, I laid there thinking, I'm not doing a video today. I'm so tired. But, because like I said, if you saw my intro, I was up at about 3 o'clock this morning. But then I was like, no, I can't give up. I have been doing a video every day, so I was so excited. So this is coming up late, but this is coming up today. Again, I did wake up at 3 o'clock this morning and started cleaning my living room and just doing some more decorating. And then, so then I was like, oh, okay, well, I'll just hurry up and clean my bathroom. And my bathroom's a little bit large. I mean, but do you ever just like start doing something and you're like, okay, it's going to take about maybe a half hour. And then like an hour later, you're elbow deep in urine on the bottom of your toilet and scrubbing walls from where your dogs have rubbed. And after a while, you're like, this was not as easy of a project as I thought it was going to be. So, like my husband's always like, why does it take you so long when you clean? And I'm like, your cleaning and my cleaning are two different things. When my husband, every once in a while, does any kind of cleaning, it's, like mainly picking up kind of what he sees out. But like if I start cleaning, I have to like do like thorough deep cleaning. Like I'm baseboard, like down there with a toothbrush scrubbing everything. Like I can't just go in and like clean the surface and then think it's clean. It still feels disgusting. So anyways, I scrubbed from top to bottom my whole entire bathroom and one of my living rooms today. So I am exhausted. So again, it's about 8 p.m. But I do have a very, 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 very small 99-cent store haul. And then also, so you guys, I've never been to Cato. Have you guys ever been to Cato? Oh my gosh, that's my new favorite store. I could not believe their stuff in there was just so hip and trendy. I don't know. I loved it. So that's my new favorite store. So I have a couple things from there. But first, let's just show you guys the 99-cent store stuff. But you all, like, I'm pretty excited about this 99-cent store. I thought this stuff I loved this stuff. So let me show you first. First, let me show you this. So this was only 99 cents, but I picked it up because I've been doing, it's not here, like the folding of the books. And one of them I'm trying to like make it so that it's kind of like figures set into it. So it's almost like a shadow box, but made out of the book pages. And so I got these to put in there. So I did get this for like 99 cents. Actually, when he was ringing it up, I'm pretty sure that everything was $1.29 and he just didn't say anything. I think he did. Because it was $13 and I only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things. So I think it was like $1.29 or whatever. I don't know. But so I got that. But then you guys, so I got all these stickers. But let me show you. So I was looking at their stickers and I was like, okay, let me just look at them. Oh my gosh. So these are it's 2004 too, which I think is really weird because I love these. But who are they by? Amazing Products? I don't know. But, and they're acid free, so you can use them on your junk journals, on your stickers, on anything. You guys, they are princess ones. So this one, I should not try this. Oh, this one is Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. So can we talk about the dwarfs here? I should have gotten more than one of each. So here is the Seven Dwarfs one. And then this one is Alice in Wonderland. Oh my gosh, like look at them. Aren't they so flipping cute? And I mean, you can see that they're like psychedelic or whatever that is. I don't know, but so cute. This one, ow, oh, I don't mean to keep hitting you guys. I'm sorry, my knees. This one is Snow White. And look, it has the mirror on it, has like the witch. Oh my gosh. So there's that one. This one is just the princes, I think. I think this is just the princes. I still think it's awesome, but this is just the princes. So it has all of those. And when I say the 99-cent store, when I'm referring to like, I don't know how else to explain it except for like one of those little smoke shop kind of I guess like not marijuana stores. I don't know what they sell in there. I have no idea. I have no idea what they sell in there. But every time I go in there, I'm the only person like looking for real things and everyone else is up at the front trying to buy whatever at the front. So I don't know, but I don't know. My son's always like, Mom, that is not a marijuana shop. And I'm like, I mean, what are people buying? It's not cigarettes. They don't sell cigarettes there. I don't think. I don't know. I mind my business. But I like to go in there because it's very random what they have. And so this one right here is Sleeping Beauty. Look at her right here, the fairy godmother or whatever. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to move it a little so you can see. Ooh, that's some glare. So there's that one. This one right here. Okay, again, remember I have boys. I love princesses, but I can't. I think it's Sleeping Beauty too because she's still sleeping. So I think this is just another version of the sleeping. Or is that the same one? No, it's not the same one. So anyways, there's this one. And then the last one is another one from Alice in Wonderland. I mean, look at them. I should go back and get more. Look at all those. Look at the little caterpillar on the mushroom right here. And then there's the roses. And then here's him going to paint the roses. Another caterpillar on the mushroom. Oh my gosh. So you guys, these are all the individual ones I can find. Love them. I think they're amazing. I always say, let me do a thumbnail. Y'all, I don't know how to make a thumbnail. Like people hold still. We'll see if that works. I don't know. But now I just want to show you the couple of things I did get from Cato. I didn't get any clothes this time. I was not really prepared to like, I don't want to say shop. Like I have to be in a mindset to kind of shop. But I went in there while I was waiting for my husband. I dropped my receipt. And I found a bunch of like jewelry on clearance. And so I got that. So this was $2.99. And it was like first $10.99, then $7.99, then $4.99, and then $2.99. So here are the earrings, just that little pair of earrings. But it came with this necklace. And I just think it's so cute for $2.99. Like, I don't know. I have several like just very, I don't want to say elegant or classy, but just like pure black outfits. And I think that this would just look gorgeous hanging there. So it's just with the chain and then got that. So I got that for $2.99. I'm going to go back. I like some of their shoes too. How much did I pay for these? So these were originally $4.99 to $2.99 to $1.99, but they're leopard lightning bolts for $1.99. So I was like, oh yes, I need those. So I got those for $1.99. These went from $6.99, $4.99, $2.99 to $1.99. And it's like little denim on the bottom. So I've said it before, I don't like to wear like very dainty jewelry. Like if I'm going to wear jewelry, I like it chunky. Like, I don't know, like gaudy is what a lot of people would say, but I just like that. So there's those ones. And again, it's like a denim on the bottom. What's the next one? Oh, here's this one. Oh, these are clip-ons. I didn't know that. Anyways, $7.99 to $4.99 to $2.99 to $1.99. And they're just denim earrings again. So I got those. Apparently those are clip-ons, which I did not realize, but so these were $9.99 to $6.99 to $3.99. So I paid $3.99, but there's three pairs here. So there's this one right here that's like the leopard. And then there's this one. And then there's this, which is like a cloth. And this matches that necklace I showed you a second ago pretty well. So I would be more likely to wear like this necklace with these earrings than just the plain ones because again, you know, That's just how I like things. So there's those two. Hold on, I have a couple more, and then we'll be done, and then I'm going to bed. And I'm hopefully going to sleep the whole night. And what did I get here? So just one more. Oh, so there is just one more left here. And this one went from $7.99 to $4.99 to $2.99 to $1.99. But it has 3 bracelets. And again, if you saw the earrings and the necklace I just showed you, this goes with them. So it's just like 2 like wooden or something bracelets. So it's a small one, there's a thick one, and then there's this one. And I just think it'll go really cute. So that is, let's see, hold on, because, oh, hold on. So does it show me how much I saved? So I paid a total for all of those $16.24. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, I got more than 6 pairs of earrings, but I got 6 items. And it doesn't show me how much I saved, but it was a lot. So anyways, guys, I'm going to bed. I'm actually super proud of myself for actually getting up and doing this video because I was talking myself out of it. So this is going to be uploaded late tonight, but it doesn't matter. It was still uploaded. So this is still a Vlogmas day. Yes. So, all right, guys, tomorrow is Monday. And I'm not exactly, so I have stopped the past couple of days. I stopped planning what I'm going to do tomorrow because my body is like, no, you'll do what I tell you to do. So, anyways, I am doing good. I'm just tired. I'm very tired. I'm still trying to stick to like my work schedule so I don't get out of that. Tuesday will be 3 weeks and I'm kind of on the downhill after that because, or uphill, whatever you want to call it, because now I only have 3 weeks left after Tuesday that I have to stay home. So anyways, guys, I hope that you guys have a great day. I hope that you're enjoying the videos and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys. It's not stopping. I'll be right back.